Hey bafethu, yazi thina as South Africans siyajwayelwa. Bayasiphaphela yazi nama foreigners lawo. I don't want to sound xenophobic, but hayi niyasijwayela Lesotho. How can you dare say you will launch an appeal? Sinimoleki stadium first and foremost. Anina stadium. You are the home team in South Africa. Then you're gonna lodge in a complaint if Mukwenu uyadlala. Bunch of losers. But anyway, Hugo Boss, you've been warned. Do not play this nigga. Do not play him. Ungamdlali. You never know. You'll never know what will happen. They might dock us 6 points because he was not supposed to play in the previous fixture against the same team. Same team failed to lodge an appeal. So, caution of approach. Do not play this nigga. Please.